Is this supposed to be sweet tea? This is supposed to be sweet tea. No, you are not sweet tea. Why am I still drinking this? Why is my hand right there? Celery. Oh God, you looking fine. Oh boy, you looking so good. Awkward. Gave me a heart attack. Stop rolling. Sit. 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 Good boy. Stay. So today is freestyle week on Just Collab, and I'm your Sunday, and I am awkwardly the last person to be on the collab of the whole week. Hi. Hi, and I'm your awkward Sunday. Ha ha. YMCA. YMCA. I went to this party thingy, and I won this stuffed animal thingy from dancing. I'm an awkward potato. Ah, son of a holy shoe! Oh, chipped my nail. Okay, so I've been in like a really awkward mood lately. Like not like awkward like my usual awkward, but like I've been a really like not interesting person. Like last week and the week before, like my video was like stunk butthole. Ooey. But that's because I've had a lot of drama going on, so it's not really fun to like just sit around and talk to my camera when I'm all upset. But I promise, what am I doing? I promise my videos will be better next week. Hiya! Karate Master! I want a pickle, pickle, pickle! So this awkward person is gonna leave right now. See you next week. Bye. Yeah, I should turn you off.